Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can pair Baseus Bowie M2 Plus earbuds with any Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, before the pairing, just remember to input both earbuds inside, charge them for like 20 minutes and disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, all you have to do is just to open this charging case and put it close to your device. Next, simply go to the Bluetooth settings, go to the pair new device, and just wait until they pops on available devices list. Here we can find them, so click on them once, accept the pairing. As you can see, we are successfully connected. And next, you have to open the Play Store. You have to be also connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data and download this application from the Baseus. That's this application that we have to get. So let's click install. Click open. Accept all of these permissions. Okay, and in most cases you will be set up with your earbuds automatically, but in my case I have to do this manually. So let's click to add the device, and right now it is searching for the nearby devices, so we can find our Bowie M2 Plus. Of course, you have to keep that case open, so select them, click to add device. As you can see, it's finished successfully, so click on them once, and there we go. Right now we are in the application. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.